Is complex trauma a form of acquired neurodivergence? By Kimberly Revis Callis. The relationship between complex trauma and neurodivergence is a growing area of research, with profound implications for how we understand and treat trauma. Complex trauma refers to the impact of prolonged or repeated exposure to traumatic events, often in childhood. This can include experiences like abuse, neglect, or witnessing violence. Complex trauma can significantly affect a person's development, leading to challenges with emotional regulation, relationships, and sense of self. What is acquired neurodivergence? Neurodivergence refers to variations in brain function and behavior that differ from what is considered typical. While many forms of neurodivergence are innate, like autism or ADHD, acquired neurodivergence refers to changes in brain function that occur after birth due to experiences like trauma, injury, or illness. The link between complex trauma and acquired neurodivergence. Emerging research suggests that complex trauma can lead to changes in the brain that resemble neurodevelopmental conditions. These changes can affect areas responsible for emotional regulation, leading to difficulties managing emotions like anger, anxiety, or sadness. Sensory processing, resulting in heightened sensitivity to sights, sounds, or touch. Social cognition, impacting the ability to understand and navigate social situations. And executive functioning, causing challenges with attention, planning, and organization. So why is this important? Recognizing complex trauma as a form of acquired neurodivergence can help us by reducing stigma. Understanding the neurological impact of trauma, we can move away from blaming individuals for their struggles. By improving treatment, approaches used for neurodevelopmental conditions as sensory regulation strategies and social skills training may be beneficial for individuals with complex trauma. And by promoting acceptance, acknowledging the diversity of human experience, including the impact of trauma on the brain, fosters a more inclusive and compassionate society. My book, Trauma Brain, explores the connection between complex PTSD and acquired neurodivergence, offering insights into how trauma shapes our brains and practical strategies for healing. Drawing on the latest research, it provides a framework for understanding the unique challenges and strengths that arise from complex trauma. If you're seeking to understand your experiences and navigate the healing process, Trauma Brain can be a valuable resource for your journey. And for further exploration, here are some resources that delve deeper into this topic. There are articles, such as The Struggle and Strengths of Trauma Disorders in Psychology Today, Post-Traumatic Stress Disorder by the Neurodivergent Collective, CPSD is Acquired Neurodivergence, a thread on Reddit, Acquired Neurodiversity, an overview in CareScribe, and Trauma and Neurodiversity, Understanding the Struggle and Meeting the Needs by Chiron Clinics. There are books, such as The Body Keeps the Score, Brain, Mind, and Body in the Healing of Trauma by Bessel van der Kolk. And there are organizations, such as the National Center for PTSD, the Autistic Self-Advocacy Network, and the Center for Neurodiversity and Employment. Do you have resources that you want to share? Please leave a comment and join our community. And thank you for listening.